I want to read something. I read it in Danish. I have read it, and I have made it on a different way. Jeg er i det indre. Jeg er med mit ydre. Jeg kom fra neden. Jeg steg op for oven. Jeg har forbindelse til himlen. Og jeg går på jorden gennem min stjerneport. Alt går vellykket i en smuk, evig guddommelig stjernestrøm af min evige sjæls lykkeånd. Holder vi hånd i hånd. Det var et digt, jeg lige havde skrevet. Og jeg kigger, det her, det er mit fjernsyn, I kigger på, klokken er 21:53. Jeg har nu skal jeg se. Jeg har lighted a candlelight because that I think about all the people that suffer right now in the rain that has come upon their country, and I think about that. I hope and pray that everything was gonna be okay. For those who suffering, and it's difficult when you sit and want to do something for them and you cannot, because you cannot leave your own country, and you don't know how, as you would make a difference, but I don't know how I can do that. But anyway, I pray to the gods that they will not send more rain our way, so we can have country and land. And then I will give it advice that I maybe think that we should build some ways. I have seen, when you go in swim halls, there's those long, bathing wings, and there's those long made out of a kind of not plastic, but skumgummi, something else. You can actually make bridges that can hold to a whole lastbil that driving over them out in the water. I know it's very risky, but you can make bridges out of that lay upon the water, where vehicles can drive with some rope and with some things. It is risky, but you can do it. I have seen it on TV, and but I also hope that there will be land left where there is the possibility for. Maybe I wish that it should be a land in the one end and a volcano in the other end, because volcano also is going to make more land if you think about it coming down from the earth up, and it stabilizes that warm liquid, what it is that coming out of the volcano, is when it freeze to and became cold, it actually made a substance like earth, a kind of, at least you can walk on when it's cold. But I just saw in TV, and I wanted to say to the countries down there that it must be horrible, and I hope that land remains, because I don't wish to drown, and nobody wish that. But else, I hope Jesus come back, and I hope that he can help us. He is maybe already doing it. I do not know, but I hope and pray the rain will stop so we can just around the world. I cannot climb that mountain there, but I could maybe build a hole inside if I got a very advanced machine. I could maybe build a hole inside that, but I have not such a machine. But if you have a machine like a UFO or a bigger one with a bore in the space, you can actually make a hole in and a little place for people to sit. That is actually, I am autist, I want to say, and I have Asperger syndrome. So I see the possibilities in everything, every small things there is. And now it just, it is just, I think the world is so beautiful. The cliff, and I want to travel, but I do not know. I want to travel in a UFO. I have seen one myself, but not with creepy things. I want to travel with my Father, Heavenly Father, Jesus Christ, or with my Heavenly Father, my own Father. And I pray for the Denmark, or I pray for every country to keep their heads high and to do what they can to maybe make sure that, I pray for the one big prayer for the rain to stop where there's humans for a period of time and a blue sky, not too much sun down where there is ice, but I do not know. But my friend want me to call him now, so I have to go. But subscribe on my channel if you wanna know things, and if you wanna talk, if you wanna just see what see what I'm making, and no matter what, the time is 22:009 now. May the world be blessed through God's glory and through God's riches and through His mercy upon us humans. In the name of Jesus, in the name of the Son, and and may He heal every sickness that fall upon us, and may He remove water from places where children plays, and may He help us in best possible way, if He can, to this day and forward. May He works behind the scenes, so when we maybe depart from this world, we're going to a more beautiful, more friendly, and not so violent world, and reunite with our loved ones in that case. See you.